7 general orders. Number 1, to take charge of this post and all government property in view. Number 2, to walk my post in military manner, keeping always on alert and observing everything that takes place with sight and hearing. Number 3, to report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. Number 4, to repeat all calls from posts more distance from the guard house than my own. Number 5, to quit my post when only property relieved. Number 6, to receive, obey, and pass on the sentinel who relieves me all orders from commanding officer, officer of the day, and non-commissioned officer of the guard only. Number 7, to talk to no one except in line of duty. Number 8, to give alarm in case of fire or disorder. Number 9, to call the commander of the relief in any case not covered by instruction. Number 10, to salute all officers of colors in standard not case. Number 11, to be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging and challenge all persons on or near my post and to allow no one to pass without proper authority.
Pagkasanay, maghawak ng salita. Sa kanang balikat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kaliwang balikat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aga. 1, 2. Tuga. 1, 2, 3. Siyasat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Agap. Baba. 1, 2, 3. Tangkal. 1, 2. Baba. 1, 2, 3. Tikat. Yan. Kaluwag. Tong. Up.